Kevin Almira and Shirish Sharma back in the pavilion, and bowlers are bowling beautifully, and there's a pull shot there, and it's a wonderful boundary towards the wide long on region, but this time he gets it straight.
Sumit Narwal disappointed a little bit. Again a great delivery. This time the ball is running towards the boundary. The fielder is also running it. Will not get there as it's another boundary, and this time coming from the bat of Mandeep Singh. So it will be interesting to find out how they... Oh my God! This is excellent placement for 4. This time again he's trying to do something unique. One bounce, and again this time anything is still possible for DY Patil. Good looking shot coming from the bat of Naushad Sheikh, and it's a maximum. Straight away umpire. This time we'll get boundary for it. Tricky shot by Naushad Sheikh, and he's on fire here at the moment. 2 deliveries left in this Shum Chaudhary over. This time once again Naushad Sheikh playing it very fine.
So that is up in the air. We have to wait and watch, and he's out. According to me, I will give 60-40 to DY Patil at this stage. That should have been stopped. That should have been stopped.
So 8 overs have been bowled. ONGC 47 for 3, and little bit struggling at the moment.
Hope to see some player from Goa playing to Indian team soon, and it's a wonderful shot, and it's a 6. We'll select at the end of this innings. That is a different kind of ball that we should try, but in the end, ONGC has won quite handsomely in the end by 4 wickets. That was beautifully put away. Oh, and he's bowled. Second wicket down for Goa Tuskers. Wonderful shot. What a skillful shot from Suyash Prabhu. My God. And safest place for the shot. Once again, he's coming down the ground, and this time catch taken, and he's back in the hut. Oh, that is once again up in the air. Is it going to be taken? That's the arena. So this is not a kind of ball. That is a poor shot. Mohammad Ilahi underneath it, and he takes a simple catch. Once again, this time up in the air, Namanoja after it, and Namanoja says, no, it's my catch, and he takes it beautifully. Oh, that is up in the air. We have to wait and watch. It is going to be 6. It is out of here. It is over the commentator's box. Actually, dull face is there, and it's a 1 more 6. Maximum out of here. It's raining 6s at GCA ground Parvarim. Gurkeerat Singh is turning it around for GMR Group. Oh, that is a massive shot. That is a humongous hit. Oh! The do and die for Goa Tuskers. And this is a wonderful shot there. What a cricketer this guy is. Oh, that is a massive shot. Biggest hit of all. What a player. What a player. Gurkeerat Singh. Oh my God. Is it going to be 6 or out? That is going out of here. Himmat Singh is hitting all the bowlers out of the park. And chance of a catch. And it is over. All over for Goa Tuskers. And GMR Group has won this match. And this has opened the group.
And the man of the match here award has been shared by Himmat Singh, who scored 46 not out of just 18 deliveries, and Gurkeerat Singh Mann, who made 51 runs of 27 deliveries. Check of rupees 10,000.